In problem number 12, we are told that $1,000 is deposited for 6 years. All right, so our PV we know to be $1,000, T we know to be 6, and it says it's put into a savings account earning. All right, so this is our interest rate, which is 0.036. We're told it's compounded monthly, so M is equal to 12, and find the interest earned during the 6th year. So what we're looking for is this. We're going to put $1,000 into an account, leave it there for 6 years at 3.6% interest, and we're going to compound it monthly. So at the end, at the end of the 6 years, we'll have some money accrued. But what we want to do is just find out how much money did we make in just the 6th year. Not all 6 years, just in the 6th year. I'm going to start this problem like I do every problem in this section, is that I'm going to write the formula. Future value is present value times 1 plus R over M raised to the MT. So I'm going to start off by thinking this way here. I'm going to write the future value, and then I'm going to write a sub 6. That subscript is just a name for what future value it is. And this will be the future value after 6 years. And that future value is going to be our initial investment, right? The present value, $1,000, times 1 plus the interest rate, 0.036, divided by 12, compounded monthly, raised to the 12 times 6. And when I computed that, I got the future value after 6 years to be 1240.70. So this is going to be 1240.70. And now what I'm looking for is what is the interest earned? How much interest did we get just during the 6th year? Well, look, this is how much we've made in 6 years, right? If we take that 1240.70, subtract our $1,000, we will have made $240.70 in 6 years. But we just want the interest in that last year. So it seems reasonable that what we should do here is this. Why don't we find the future value after 5 years? We'll get that number, and then subtract it. Whatever number we get here, we'll subtract it from this number, and that'll give us the interest that we made in that last year, the 6th year. So the future value after 5 years will be our present value, $1,000 times 1 plus the interest rate, 0.036, divided by 12, raised to the 12 times 5 this time, right? We want it after 5 years. And that's going to give a future value after 5 years of, okay, so when I compute this on my calculator, I'm getting 1196.89. 1196.89. Then, to get the interest in that 6th year, that interest that we make in year 6, this is going to be the future value at the end of 6 years, minus the future value at the end of 5 years, and that's going to give us that 1240.70 minus the one we just computed, 1196.89, and this comes out to $43.81